One of the major issues that stand out in the new constitution is how the judiciary will be run. With the old constitution, judges earned their positions through presidential appointment, but this time, to get that presidential assent, there are several processes that must be followed. In the new dispensation, in order for an individual to be appointed either as Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, or any other judge for that matter, they must apply to the Judicial Service Commission, where the Commission will vet their academic capability, conduct, and experience. The names of the individuals who meet the requirements of the positions will then be forwarded to the National Assembly, where again they will be vetted by members of Parliament, and then forwarded to the President for approval and subsequent appointment.
We now have 11 and 45 judges of the Court of Appeal and the High Court, respectively, serving a population of about 40 million. I've no doubt most of you work extremely hard.
And with the passage of the new law, this now leaves Chief Justice Evan Gicheru with two choices: to step aside or undergo the vetting process if he wants to finish his term in office as judge of the appeal court.
He can stay on after being vetted, a process which will take more than a year, and will serve in the Court of Appeal. I think the first option for him is the best option. And within 60 days does not mean we will wait. In fact, we would urge him to step aside 2 weeks after or a month after.
In our work as judges, we are not looking for accolades or thanks from the people that we serve, but drive satisfaction in the knowledge that we have been of service to mankind as demanded of us by the law.
The same applies for other judges. If they wish to retain their positions, they must apply to the Judicial Service Commission, go through the vetting, and if deemed fit for the job, reappointed. In the new constitution, the Chief Justice no longer enjoys security of tenure and can only serve for 10 years or until the retirement age of 70. If he or she finishes the term before the retirement age, the individual continues to serve in office as judge of the Supreme Court. And just as judges are appointed through the Judicial Service Commission, so will they be removed from office. Judges, including the Chief Judge, can be removed from office because of inability to perform, be it mental or physical incapability, breach of code of conduct for judges, bankruptcy, incompetence, or gross misconduct. The new constitution also seeks to make the judiciary independent by receiving direct financing from Treasury, meaning that it cannot be at the mercy of the executive anymore. Perhaps this will finally untie the tight leash the executive has had on the judiciary since independence. Catherine Amwando, KTN Prime.